Hi, I'm Katie with WTI. Are you stressed out? Are your kids stressed out? Well, then maybe you need some of these Calm Anti-Stress Gummies by Natural Vitality. You heard me, anti-stress gummy. They look like little gumdrops. They are not very big at all, and they taste like oranges. They're filled with magnesium, which is a natural anti-stress supplement. I have trusted this brand for years, and now I can use these magnesium gummies to help my kids de-stress before they go to school. If you've been searching for a way to help your kids deal with stress and get through the day, or maybe just you yourself are trying to be stress-free a little more naturally, then it's worth looking into these Calm Anti-Stress Gummies by Natural Vitality. And that's my point of view.